Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Meta AI glasses to Facebook Messenger. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and hear messages on your Meta AI glass. How do you actually go ahead and connect it to Facebook Messenger? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up Meta AI. Then click on the gear icon on the top right hand side, click on App Connections towards the middle, then click on Communicate Hands-Free, then click on Messenger. So on this page here, you can see that you're using Messenger as. Click on Next, and you should be able to connect the Meta AI app with Facebook Messenger. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.